So before you pack your bags and set your GPS for Long Island, let me say this clearly. Long Island is amazing if you are built for it. This is not a don't move here video. This is a reality check video. Because too many people move here based on pretty pictures, beach sunsets, wineries, and weekend vibes without really understanding the day-to-day lifestyle. So today, I'm sharing 5 things you really need to handle before moving to Long Island. If even one of these makes you feel uncomfortable, you may want to pause before making that move. Hi, I'm Jusoo Kim, a New York State licensed real estate salesperson with a Charles Rottenberg. I'm also known as Hot Realtor, HOT, Honest, Organized, and Tenacious. I live and work on Long Island, and I help many people who are relocating from other states. Understanding how life here compares and what questions they should be asking before making a move. This video is for educational purposes only. My goal is to give you information, not to tell you where you should or shouldn't live. Number 1, the cost of living is not a joke. Let's start with the obvious one. Long Island is expensive. Housing costs are higher than many parts of the country, but that's only part of the story. You will also feel it in property taxes, utilities, gas, car insurance, everyday services. Even things that feel normal elsewhere, like parking, home repairs, or dining out, often come with the higher price tag here. This doesn't mean it's not worth it, but it does mean you need to come in with realistic expectations and a solid financial plan. If you're moving here thinking, I'll figure it out once I arrive, Long Island can become stressful very quickly. Number 2, commuting can test your patience. Whether you're commuting locally or heading toward the city, travel time matters here. Traffic is part of daily life. Trains are widely used, but schedules, transfers, and delays can impact your routine. Many people plan their entire day around departure times, parking availability, peak versus off-peak hours. If you value flexibility and spontaneity, commuting on Long Island may require a mindset shift. People who thrive here usually plan ahead and accept that travel time is simply built into life. Hey guys, it's Jusoo Kim, your Hot Realtor, Honest, Organized, and Tenacious. As much as I love making these videos, there's one thing I love more, and that's helping families and people from all of the US to make the move to Valley Stream, New York. I've helped countless families make the move. So whether you are coming out next week, next month, or even next year, don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is right here on the screen and linked in the description in case you missed the on-screen pop-up. I look forward to helping you and your family make the move to Valley Stream, New York. 3, homes require ongoing maintenance. A lot of Long Island housing stock is not brand new, and even newer homes deal with the real-world wear and tear. Between weather exposure, seasonal changes, coastal conditions in some areas, homes here need constant care. That means budgeting time and money for maintenance, not just cosmetic upgrades. This isn't a negative, it's just reality. If you love homeownership and don't mind staying proactive, you'll be fine. If you expect set it and forget it, this can feel overwhelming. Number 4, life moves fast here. Long Island has energy, people are busy, schedules are full. Many residents are balancing careers, family responsibilities, and long to-do lists. That pace can feel exciting or exhausting depending on your personality. You'll notice quick conversations, packed calendars, less downtime unless you intentionally create it. The upside? You are surrounded by motivated, driven people. The trade-off? You have to be intentional about rest and boundaries. Number 5, community is what you make it. Here's just something people don't talk about enough. Connection doesn't just happen automatically. Long Island has incredible local culture, events, small businesses, and civic life, but you have to engage with it. People who feel isolated here often stay on the sidelines. Those who love living here usually get involved locally, support neighborhood businesses, build routines and relationships over time. Now for the question of the day, for those of you who are thinking about making the move to Valley Stream, New York, make sure to leave your answers in the comments below. I want to hear what you have to say. Also, if you have any questions or thoughts, please leave those in the comments as well. Better yet, call, text, or email me. My information should pop up on the screen. Where are you moving from? And what is the reason you're moving from city or state? I'm truly curious, so make sure you leave your comments below. If you're willing to put yourself out there, Long Island can feel like home. If not, it can feel surprisingly lonely. So, don't move to Long Island unless you can handle a higher cost of living, strategic commuting, hands-on homeownership, a fast-paced lifestyle, actively building community. If you can handle those things, Long Island offers opportunity, diversity of experiences, and a lifestyle many people truly love. If you're thinking about moving here and want guidance based on your goals, timeline, and comfort level, that's exactly the kind of conversation I help people with every day. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Click here for a free relocation guide and send me any questions you have. Happy to help.